In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Aptos' future while talking about Aptos' cost figure for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Aptos. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Aptos value forecast and answer questions in the event that Aptos is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Aptos succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Aptos value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Aptos and its to-date history. Aptos value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its untouched high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of enormous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and key evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 1.62% $4 08 2022 1202 plus 4.35% $4 19 2022 1203 plus 3.06% $4 14 2022 1204 plus 1.06% $4 06 2022 1205 plus 2.03% $4 10 2022 1206 5.83% $3 78 2022 1207 5.60% $3 79 2022 1208 5.30% $3 80 2022 1209 5.30% $3 80 2022 1210 3.61% $3.87 Aptos value expectation 2022. High expansion and very dangerous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DEC, 11.96% $3.53 2023 Jan. 27.19% $2.92 2023 Feb. 26.57% $2.95 2023 Blemish. 12.42% $3.52 2023 APRA. 4.89% $3.82 2023 May. Plus 5.16% $4.22 2023 Jun. Plus 10.11% $4.42 2023 Jul. Plus 15.24% $4.63 2023 Aug. Plus 24.72% $5.01 2023 SEP. Plus 34.84% $5.41 2023 OP. Plus 45.82% $5.85 2023 NA. Plus 51.50% $6.08 Aptos value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Aptos coming to $9.83 in 2025. What will Aptos be worth in 5 years? The cost of Aptos in 5 years could lie around $9.30. Aptos value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Aptos will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Aptos coming to $24.59 in 2030. What Aptos will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Aptos coming to $49.17 in 2040. Will Aptos supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Aptos won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Aptos at any point reach $10? Indeed, Aptos could reach $10 toward the finish of 2022. Might Aptos at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Aptos to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Aptos worth purchasing? We are promoters of respectably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with colossal potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, Aptos merits purchasing. Is Aptos a wise speculation? Aptos is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a dangerous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Aptos be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $2.34. In the long haul, it could leap to $24.59 or significantly higher. For what reason will Aptos succeed and become more expensive? Aptos has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Aptos ascending to $24.59 in 2030. For what reason will Aptos come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects come up short in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture, controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned showcasing system, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Could Aptos at any point reach $100? Indeed, it is conceivable that Aptos can reach $100, however, just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will Aptos go? Our estimating model sees Aptos value detonating and coming to $49.17 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Aptos? Aptos will reach $2.34 in the following 90 days, which is a 41.8% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $4.01. Might Aptos at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase huge enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Aptos mogul. Yet, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Aptos could make you a tycoon. Aptos value forecast today. What will be the cost of Aptos tomorrow? Aptos will float around $4.12 tomorrow. Will Aptos continue onward up? Aptos will continue to ascend in 2022 and then some. It will float up to $24.59